Guys, how you doing? Welcome to another unboxing. It's Studio Race with Boys and Their Toys. Listen, I got a house toy. I consider this to be. My wife picked this up for our den area that we're doing construction in. This is the Touchstone. The Sideline is called Model 8004, the black recessed electrical fireplace. All right. She's been doing some research, and we always wanted to have a fireplace inside our house, but unfortunately, our house wasn't designed with one, and it's really too expensive to try to put one in. So this is really for ambiance and to give a different look to our den area. So I picked this up, or she picked this up, and just got delivered. So what I'm going to do here. This is going to be a several part series. Today I'm just going to do the unboxing, let you guys see how it looks when we unpack it, what's in it, what have you. And then I'll take you to the location where I'm going to be putting it in and go pretty much try to go step by step to show you how I'm installing this in my home. So let's take a look at it. Again, this is Touchstone. The Sideline is called Black Recessed Electrical Fireplace. So I'm just going to get this open right now, make sure everything's intact, no broken parts, what have you, before we get started. So this is going to just be the unboxing first. Again, second part, we're going to frame out the area, and then we're going to install it. All right, so stay with me, and let's check this out if you guys considering this. All right, this is a new item for the house. I never installed one of these. It's seems like it's straightforward, and I'm looking forward to getting it in. So let me set it up. We'll do a little time lapse and unboxing, and I'll stop as I go and show you any different parts or what have you to bring attention to it. So let's get started. Alright guys, I can see I'm opening up the box now. First thing you're going to see on top of the box uh, is the directions here. Now we got the directions, and as I come along, you guys are going to see they're going to give you these little plastic crystals. Alright, that goes into the fireplace. So, and they're just plastic, nothing too special about them. So it's on top of the box. As you notice, they got a little something useful part do not dispose of. So that's the first thing you're going to see when you open the box. So I just want to show you that, and you should be getting it look like a remote, some directions, and other accessories on top. So let's continue on. I just want to point that out to you before I continue. All right. So all right. I'm just gonna let you guys know too, when we unpack this, I don't know if you can see between the plastic. There's like a little hook or a little something to put your finger in right here. When you open up, you can lift that up. There's one on this side, on the other side, to help you lift this thing out of the box, so you don't have to lay it down. So I'm gonna attempt to do that right now. I just noticed that when I was trying to take this out. All right, so you got two people. I'm gonna get my wife out here, and we're gonna lift it straight up to get this thing out of the box. All right, so I just want to notice that, just a little tip. There's a little handle or cup right here. All right, the glass is in the front. You'll feel it when you put your hand down in there. So let me get my wife to help me lift this out, and we'll continue on. Alright guys, this is how it's looking. It's pretty nice. Alright, most important, again, inspect your glass, of course. Make sure there's no chips. It came in well packed, well covered up, so it's very interesting. It's going to be a nice addition to the den area. So I just want to give you guys a closer look on how it should look when it gets to you. Alright, and as you can see, right here it has the little Touchstone emblem right there. So it's like for the So I get a little sharper for you guys. Alright, like that, okay? And as you can see, when you hook this up, it's just a regular plug. Right here. You can hook up just a 3-prong plug, which I will be doing. Or you can hardwire it if you want to, if you choose to. So I'm gonna use the 3-prong plug when I do my installation. It's just gonna be, I gotta do a lot of wiring anyway. So that's how it looks. Alright, let me see if I can get it adjusted to turn around and let you guys see the back of it. Alright. Alright guys, this is the look of the back of it, the unit. Alright. Just want to give you guys a closer look at it. Alright. Simple design. It's a metal aluminum box. Sorry for the jittery. I'm just trying to hold my camera up, guys, to let you guys see how I'm seeing it. Alright. Alright, forget the kids. My kids up there trying to get them up. Alright, and that's that handle I was talking about. And you lift it up right here to help you move it around. It's right there. So, hope you guys can see that. Yeah, that's it, guys. I'm trying to give a little look for you guys. Again, this is just a detailed look at it. Get a little close if you haven't seen it in person. If you're trying to imagine how it looks on a website, you know, there's good pictures there, but I find putting up this type of videos will give you a little more detail on what you're looking at. All right, right here has a little, tells you the warnings and what it is. All right here again, this is where the cord comes out of into a regular 3-prong type of system. So that's the back of it, guys. All right. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna plug it up just to get it well, I'll show you guys. I'm gonna try to get all this stuff out and plug it up and test it before I try and install it. All right. So let me get that going too. All right. So stand by. Alright guys, I'll just bring some to your attention. Alright, we're going to test this out before I install it, which is more important. Now as you notice, when you get it, you're going to have a plastic in here and a foam, and you have to get that out. And I'm looking at it, I'm like, what the hell are you going to get the hell out? So after reading the direction, it comes to my attention. What's inside here, I don't know if you guys can see it. There's some screws right here. There's a screw here. I hope you can see that right there. And on the other end, excuse me for the jittery camera, I don't have the gimbal on, there's another screw right here. Alright, so let me see if I can pull back on that. Alright, so there's another screw. When you look in here, you'll feel it. It's right here. So you're going to have to move those 2 screws off the unit and then lift this piece of glass up. Alright guys, these are the sides of screws that's coming out of there. Alright, that I was able to take out. So you're just going to have to take your time. Now, when it tells you, you have to lift upward. And the reason why, once you get it out, just pull the glass, have it lay down, and slide it this way, you know, toward the top. Alright, this is the top of the unit. You'll see a little sign here. So this is considered the top. So what I'm doing, I'm just sliding it up. And once you slide it up, it'll stop. And you'll notice when you peel it up, alright, if you can see there's like a little lip right there. Let me Let me see if I can bring this around for you guys so you can get a better look. Okay. All right. See, there's a little lip right there, and right there, as you can see, what it hooks onto. So, and it's on that end. Maybe you can see it right there. See that little lip? And that's why you gotta lift up. So I have it up so you can now expose and get the plastic off. So let me do that now. I'm a one-man show right now, so let me show up the camera and continue on so I don't damage my glass. Alright guys, so let me continue on. Alright guys, here you go. I just want to show you right now how it looks. Now when you took that plastic off, all you're revealing is the fake log. It's a, you know, it's a log that sits right here to get that look of a fireplace like have log in. So you're gonna take that out, sit that back in there. All right. Is I guess where you're gonna be. I'm gonna be mounting it at, skirting into once I get my box framed up. So you can see the rubber stops gonna be sitting on the floor or something put underneath it. It's probably some pressure treated wood. This is on top of that. So it's nothing to it. Once you get it off, all right. I end up putting those screws back up here so I don't lose them. Right here is the control pad for the unit. So I suggest make sure you don't damage your glass. What I did, I took my glass off and I took it back into the house and laid it on my couch, where no one's going to be sitting on it, and I'm gonna keep it there until I'm ready to install it. So it doesn't accidentally get damaged. All right, so that's the most fragile part of this unit is that glass. So I'll tell you guys, when you get your unit, take that glass off, put it somewhere so you don't break it or chip it at the end. All right. So let me continue on. I just want to show it to you guys once I got the glass off, what it looks like, what you're taking out. You got the little plastic, and read the directions a few more times and make sure I'm not missing anything. Then I'm gonna plug it up to see make sure this thing's operational. All right. So let me continue on. Alright guys, yeah, it's all plugged up now. Testing it out before I install it. Let's see, I hope you guys can see. I don't know if it's coming out too well on it's kind of bright right now. But just to give you an idea what you're getting. If you look inside, there's like LED panels right here in the bottom. Alright. So blue, yellow, so it gives that fire look. So it's all right there. Hope you guys can see that. And again, they give you this log, so you put the log in, you get that, or they give you crystals, whatever your preference. So they give you a choice. So again, it's running right off a normal plug. And yeah, and that's it, guys. All right, it's like a blue, yellow type of look to it. So it's kind of bright right now, so I don't know if you can see that, but that's what you're getting with this fireplace, electric fireplace. Also, to let you guys know, it does give out some heat. Now, up top, I don't know if I can tell. Probably might have to do this another day, but there's 2 heat panels. So you can have low heat or medium heat, and the heat is coming through this little heater up here. So to give that a feeling of a fireplace. So, all right. So this is your electrical fireplace. It's all tested out. It's unboxed. Again, they got the
what happened here?
I don't know. That's how it was. You're not gonna see it. It's not big deal. All right. Got a little wood in there, and
You are gonna see it.
All right. So that's it, guys. All right. So that's your electrical fireplace. Sorry for the jump. I'll give some more shots of it. It's operational, so you guys give a closer look at it. All right.